Hello everyone and welcome back to the beautiful JM&R Body Works. Today I'll show you a little known tech tip on how to install this steel body nut insert without the use of any expensive specialty insertion tools. Hi, I'm John Keith, former United States Reconnaissance Marine, lifelong collision repair specialist, and this is JM&R Body Works. Alright everyone, now before we get too deep in this video, let's introduce to you the star of the show, the spreader nut. This is a metric 8x1.25 spreader nut. It's easily identified by the long body with the slats that run along the inside. When this spreader nut is tightened down, the slats will actually open up into almost a fan pattern that disperses the amount of load along the panel in a greater area. So typically you'll find these used in fiberglass, SMC, FRP, or plastic paneling. The bolt is also a metric M8x1.25. It has a star bit, a T45 to be exact. You'll need a nut just large enough to slide over the bolt without impeding any of the threads or catching. It's a pivotal bolt here. And then a wrench that fits onto that nut to hold it, keep it from turning. A cordless, or if you have air, you can use a pneumatic drill or impact drill. A T45 bit to fit onto that nut, and that's pretty much all you need. Now there's another type of nut out there called the knurl nut. This will not work with this system. This actually has to be crimped in, but we're not going to show you how to do that today. All right, now to crimp this nut in, simply insert into your panel. We have pre-drilled holes here. This is a 1/2 inch because of the size of the nut. Depending on which one you're using, you just need to drill the appropriate size hole. Then we're going to slide the nut over the bolt, thread it into the rivet nut. All right. Then using my wrench, I will hold that nut steady and simply tighten it down. All right, now you don't have to go all the way down and crank it. It's better just until the bolt stops and then just turn around, loosen it back out. All right guys, that is how you install a spreader insert nut without the use of any specialized tools, and we're ready to bolt something to it. Perfect. If you guys like this video, be sure to smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and come ride shotgun on this big world of heavy duty truck repair. And big shout out to my man Caesar out there in Cali. Appreciate y'all watching these videos. If you got something you want to see, leave us a comment below and I'll try to answer back every one I see. Thanks guys.